Okay. Okay, first I will, no, actually, we cannot solve discount portion rightly. First, I will complete some basic transaction, then you will be able to understand all this.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so here it is, the PDF sheet. Okay, so we were discussing about this in our previous class. Now you can see business started with cash. We have completed this or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, purchase goods for cash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have completed all of these.
I guess yes. The sold one, the using credit, I guess we did not do like sales one.
Okay, sold goods for cash. First, you need to understand sold goods for cash. So if you are selling goods for cash, then cash is coming. Okay, and cash is a real account, and if it is coming, then it will be debited. Again,
Mm,
goods is going out because you are selling goods. So goods is also real account. It goes out, so it will be on the credit side. I told you in previous class that whenever we purchase or sell goods, only goods, not any asset, any other asset. So if we purchase or sell any goods, then instead of goods, we have to write purchase or sale, purchase return or sales return, whatever the transaction is. So if we are purchasing goods, then we will write purchase. If we are selling goods, then we will write sale. Okay.
yes, sir.
So here it will be cash account debit to sales account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, sold goods on credit. Sold goods on credit means now you are not getting anything in cash, means any amount in cash. You are giving goods, but not receiving cash. So in that case, you have to write the name of that person instead of cash. Okay. So here it will be uh, debtors account debit to sales account, because debtor is a receiver here. He is receiving goods. So that's why we have to write his name. Okay. Now, in some of the classes, the student asks this, sir, in cash transaction, debtor is also receiving goods. That person is also receiving goods. Then in cash basis, in cash transaction, why we are not recording his name? Can you tell me why?
In cash, what, sir?
In cash transaction, if we sold goods for cash, okay, in that case also, that person to whom we are selling goods is the receiver. Yes or no? Is the receiver of goods.
Yes.
So we should write his name also in cash transaction.
Um, I guess it's not necessary, right? Because like we wrote sales because we are like we are selling the goods, so like sales account is enough, right? Cash account to cash account debtor to sales account.
Yes, a cash account debit to sales account is correct entry, but a student asks this portion that in credit transaction, that person is a receiver. Okay, in cash transaction also he is receiver.
Yes.
In both the transaction, he is a receiver of goods. So why not record his name in cash transaction?
Uh, I'm not sure about this.
Okay, actually in cash transaction, he is not only the receiver, he is giver also.
Okay.
In cash transaction, he is receiving goods, that's why he is a receiver, and he is giving cash, so that's why he is also the giver. So you can cut these two. That's why data account is not recorded.
Okay, okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Actually, this will create confusion in your mind later when you think about it. So I cleared this because if some student ask this, so maybe this question will be uh, arise in your mind also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next is expenses paid in cash. Now here, expenses paid in cash. Expenses is nominal account. Yes.
Yes.
You remember the types of account and the rules?
The types of accounts are like real account, personal account, and nominal account.
Yes.
And the rules of debit and credit in real account are like debit is what comes in and credit what goes out. Personal account may like debit is the receiver and credit is the giver. In nominal
Very
account,
good.
I guess nominal account. Yeah, in nominal account, like debit are like the expenses and losses. Debit all expenses and losses, and credit are like the profit and gains. Sorry, income and
Yes,
gains.
credit all income and gains. Yes, very good. So expenses is nominal account, and as per nominal account, we have to see it is expenses or income. So it is expenses. Actually, expenses will not be written in portion, it will be salary. So you have to decide it is expenses or income. It will be written as a rent, discount. So you have to decide that. Now, expenses is debited as per nominal account. And we are paying cash, so cash is going out. So expenses account debit to cash account.
Yes.
Again, income received in cash. So in this transaction, cash is coming. So cash account debit. And income is to be credited as per nominal account. So to income account. Next is withdraw money for personal use. Now, withdraw money for personal use. So here, cash is going out from business. But if you again think in the perspective of the owner, then uh, you'll see that cash is coming, and that will be incorrect.
Oh my God. It's very confusing.
Yes, you have to think from the perspective of business only, not owner, not any other person. You have to think uh, with the perspective of only business and accountant of business.
So yeah, like what did you tell about the income received in cash? Like it will be cash account debtor to income account, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Any confusion?
No, no, no. I was just like I didn't hear properly.
Okay. So withdraw money for personal use. Now, withdraw money for personal use. Who will withdraw money? Owner. Yes. But cash is coming or going?
It goes out.
It is written here. You don't have to see that to answer me. Tell me. Think about it. Uh, actually, you have studied already, so you'll not change your answer now. Okay.
No, like
So
goes out, but where does it go out from? Like ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा.
बिजनेस से जा रहा है.
अच्छा, so like the owner is withdrawing money from the business, right?
Yes, from the business for personal use means he will use this money in his house.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay. ठीक है. हाँ, so like from if he's withdrawing money from the business, then yeah, obviously it's like going out. The cash is going out.
Yes, yes. And the receiver is owner. Instead of owner's name, we will write drawing. Okay. So whenever owner invest money, we will write capital. Whenever owner withdraw money, we will write drawing.
Drawings account debtor to cash account.
Yes, very good. Drawing account debit to cash. Now, in this type of transaction, there can be withdraw of goods also. Let's say the businesses of electric equipments like bulb, fan, and other things. So, if he takes some bulb for personal use. In that case, you have to write here drawing account debit to purchase account because he's not taking cash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to write purchase account.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. I told you about this, that when we withdraw cash for office use and when we deposit cash into bank. So cash is coming or going out. So you have to decide on the basis of that. Okay. So if you deposit cash, cash is going. So it will be to cash account. And where we will deposit cash in bank. So bank is
Debitor.
received here. So bank account debit.
इसकी एंट्री वो होगी ना बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट.
Yes, I have written here.
Okay. Wait, I didn't see. Okay.
Okay.
So,
The next is
just 1 minute.
yes.
Okay?
You are saying something?
Yes, I said just like 1 minute. I'm coming.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, sir. I'm back.
Okay. So the next transaction is withdrawn cash from bank for office use. So if it is for personal use, then we have to write drawing, either personal use or household use. Then we have to write drawing. But for office use, if we are withdrawing cash, so cash is coming into business. So it
Yes.
will be account debit to bank account.
Cash account debit to.
Bank.
सर
Okay.
इसके अकाउंटिंग के बहुत हार्ड लगता है मुझे.
बहुत हार्ड लग रहा है.
हाँ सर बहुत ज्यादा.
चीजें समझ में आ रही हैं या नहीं?
चीजें समझ में तो आ रही लेकिन अब पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं यही चीज जो लाइक ये है जर्नल एंट्री की फॉर एग्जांपल ड्राइंग अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट ये सब अब सही से लिख पाऊंगा मैं जर्नल में या नहीं बस वही कंफ्यूजन है. अब देखिए
अच्छा,
लाइक वी हो.
सबसे जरूरी चीज होती है कि फर्स्ट टाइम आपने अगर मैथमेटिक्स आपने पढ़ा होगा, एक्चुअली दिस इज प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट. सो मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ा होगा तो सो सिंपल कैलकुलेशन होती है, जैसे ए प्लस बी के का होल स्क्वायर होता है, वो भी बहुत मुश्किल लगता है शुरू.
जी जी जी.
But when you practice for some time, then it will be easy, I think. If you are understanding things, then there is no difficulty. But yes, if I am teaching you and you are not able to understand anything, or maybe you are very confused about everything I am teaching you, in that case it is difficult. But if you are understanding everything, you are getting the point I am explaining, so yes, it is easy then.
यस सर वो तो क्वेश्चन करेंगे तब पता चलेगा.
यस, क्वेश्चन करेंगे तब पता चलेगा. ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि हार्ड है, आसान है. पहले आप ट्राई तो कीजिए.
जी सर लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट.
यस, प्रिपेयर फॉर द वर्स्ट एंड होप फॉर द बेस्ट.
यस सर.
ओके. क्योंकि obviously if you don't go in water, then you cannot decide how much deep it is.
यस सर.
So that's why you need to go in. You need to see for yourself. If you ask me, yes, all these things are very easy for me. I am practicing these things for 10 to 15 years now. So it is easy for me. And when I teach these things for 1 or 2 months, then students start understanding things. Then they say, sir, this thing is very easy. Yes, there are 2 3 chapters in 11th and 12th also, where when I will start those chapter, I will tell you this is little difficult. You have to stay focused, because if you forget anything, then there will be some problem to solve the question.
Hmm.
So I will tell you that. But journal is very easy.
जी. So we are we going to do some like questions today, like simple questions?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Again, assets purchased for cash. So assets purchased for cash is going, asset is coming. So it will be assets account debit to cash. So this is analysis part that I have written here to understand this. Okay, now you have to do it in your mind and write this entry as solution. That's
So
it.
basic accounting में सबसे ज़्यादा important analysis और rules याद रखना है, right?
Yes.
Because
Because if you analyze the transaction, then only you can record the transaction.
yes, sir.
And after 12th, the main thing is following the rules and regulation of government, because you have to present the balance sheet, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, all these according to government rules. So you need to understand the latest rule. You should be aware of latest changes in the format or methods. So that's the difficult part. But that is very later, like after graduation, higher
Yes, sir.
stage. Okay. Cash received from debtors. Obviously, debtor is giving cash. He is giver. He will be credited, and cash is coming. So cash account debit to debtors account. Cash paid to creditors. Now cash is paid. So cash is going out, and creditor is receiving it. So creditor account debit to cash account. Depreciation charged on asset. Now, what is depreciation? Depreciation, when you purchase any asset from the market. So at the time of purchase, value of asset is different, and after some time, it is different. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like if you purchase a bike or mobile phone, let's say mobile phone, because it is everyone have mobile phone. So if you purchase mobile phone at let's say 50,000 rupees, and after 2 years, will you get the same price for this mobile phone when you sell it?
No, sir. Except for iPhone, it's like very hard.
Except for iPhone, very hard. I don't understand.
Like, usually जो iPhone के rates रहते हैं वो similar रहते हैं, even if it's like 1 or 2 years old. But except for iPhone और mostly और दूसरे brands का rate गिर जाता है थोड़ा सा.
But I don't think so. I have purchased iPhone at very low price after 1 year only.
Which iPhone, sir?
iPhone, actually, I didn't use iPhone now, because it is very actually, I cannot add different things from the market like I can add in this phone at that time. Now the latest update, I don't know about it, but at that time, iPhone 6 and 7, I think. Yes. So at that time, I purchased it at very low price. The market price, uh, it launched 1 year before, and it was priced at, I think, 60 to 65,000, and later I get for 41.
हाँ तो still 40 something, right? मतलब बहुत कम तो नहीं है ना, कुछ लाइक क्या बोलते हैं, अगर यही इंस्टेड ऑफ आईफोन, अगर ये जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल Xiaomi का होता, रेडमी का होता, तो ये अगर 60,000 का होता तो ये इजीली अराउंड 35,000 का आ जाता, इजीली सर। कुछ लाइक
Sorry.
अब, हाँ अब ये ऐसी जनरेशन होगी कि लाइक लोग बेसिकली आईफोन को, एप्पल एप्पल के सिंबल को एक लाइक इट्स अ स्टेटस सिंबल सर बेसिकली।
Yes.
सो या
Actually, inverter connection is in different light. So it is behind me. That's why it is
हाँ ओके
not
ओके नो।
converted. Okay. Okay. So this is depreciation. So whenever you purchase any asset, the price after 1 or 2 years is reduced. Okay. And the difference between the original price and the reduced price is called depreciation. So the decrease in price is depreciation. When you purchase a bike, let's say you purchase it in 1 lakh, after some time you have to sell it in 70,000 because the market rate is that. So that 30,000 is depreciation. Okay. Now, in question, you will see that rate of depreciation will be given, cost of asset will be given. Like cost of asset is 1 lakh and rate is given 20% for depreciation. So you have to calculate 1 lakh into 20% like interest, and then you will write the entry depreciation account debit to assets account 20,000.
20,000 right?
Yes, 20,000.
Yeah. So just 1 minute, like I'm bringing water, okay?
Yes. Tell me.
Yes, sir, I'm back.
I'm sharing a question. Uh,
सर बस मुझे एक चीज की लिस्ट चाहिए, अगर वो मिल जाएगी ना तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं रहेगा, लाइक जो लाइक सारे आइटम्स है ना, फॉर एग्जांपल कैश हो गया, बैंक हो गया, एंड क्या बोलते हैं, गुड्स हो गया, रेंट, ये सब जो भी लाइक जितने भी मोस्ट ऑफ द यूज टर्म्स हैं, सो ये मतलब उसकी लिस्ट चाहिए मुझे कि कौन से अकाउंट के अंदर आते हैं, रियल अकाउंट, पर्सनल अकाउंट या नॉमिनल अकाउंट। सो इट वुड बी वेरी अगर वो याद हो जाएगा तो फिर इजी हो जाएगा थोड़ा।
you're saying that you need a list of words that we will use in accounts.
या लिस्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स लाइक, बट लाइक क्या बोलते हैं, इन विच अकाउंट लाइक दे कम,
Your
फॉर
voice is
एग्जांपल।
breaking actually.
शुड आई रीजॉइन?
No, I think the internet problem is with my side.
ओके, just 1 second sir. So is my
Okay.
voice coming clear now?
Yes, yes. Is it is clear now? Tell me.
Yes, sir. So I was saying that like list of items, I need a list of items which you use in usually in accounting information and all. But like क्या बोलते हैं, it should be mentioned like under which account do they come? Like bank comes under real account or personal account, and expenses and losses, goods, like that. ये सब कि मतलब कौन से account के अंदर आ रहे हैं. So like it would be easier to remember, कि कौन सा rule apply किया जाएगा debit का, credit का.
Okay, okay. Actually, if you see the definition, I will give you the list. I will write this. But if you see the definition, then automatically you understand everything. Like any item is given. Okay, any item,
Yeah.
thing, or assets. All these things are real.
Okay.
So
All of
from
them are real
small,
accounts.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, like if you have pen, it is real account. If you have laptop, mobile phone, it is real account. If you have bike, car, building, land, furniture, whatever the thing or assets we have is a real
Okay.
account. Okay, again, if you see the name, all the names are personal account.
Okay. All the assets and all and things are like real account, and all the names are personal account.
Yes,
And all the expenses and losses and credit
income and
income and
gains,
gains are nominal accounts.
nominal account. Yes.
Okay, so
So
okay,
if
let
you
me try that.
remember the definition, if you practice some quotient, then automatically you understand these things. But after doing some quotient, if you have problem with understanding that which one is which account, then I will write this down. Okay.
Okay, so
But first, try to solve some quotient. Like here, uh,
should I start
can you see the
start
quotient?
solving this one? Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, you were saying
Should I start solving this one?
should.
Should I start solving this question?
No, no, I will solve this. So I will solve some part of this so you'll understand.
Okay, okay. Just let me draw the format. 1 minute. So journal entries.
Okay, so this is journal entry. Transaction is 2020. So first I will write the date, particular,
Date, particular, and
LF, debit
ledger.
amount, and credit amount.
Yes, sir.
Now, first of all, 2020 date is year is written in the portion 2020 here. Now we will start April 1st. So the
Sir, just
transaction is business started with cash.
the particular LF, debit
Business
amount.
started with cash. So here owner is giving cash into business. So cash is coming, cash account debit to capital account. Now you have to write transaction detail also. So you will write being started business with cash.
Okay, so like जो cash हम लोग लगा रहे हैं business में, so it would be counted as capital, right?
Yes,
Okay, so it's like 60,000. Debit amount
we will write.
60,000, credit amount, yeah, 60,000.
Okay. The next one is purchased for cash. It is April 2nd. So goods purchased for cash, it will be purchase account debit to cash because goods is coming. You have to write purchase instead of goods and cash is going out. So
एक
to
second,
cash account.
तो एक second.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Being started business. Business with cash. सर ये मतलब एक एक जो ट्रांजैक्शन हुई है लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल April 1st April 2nd उसके बीच में स्पेस छोड़ेंगे राइट वी विल लीव स्पेस राइट
Actually, space, if you leave space, it will be good presentation. This is not necessary.
अच्छा अच्छा सर स्पेस की कोई कमी नहीं है तो मैं तो स्पेस छोड़ रहा हूँ
What?
सर आई सेड लाइक स्पेस की कोई कमी तो नहीं है यहाँ पे तो मैं तो छोड़ रहा हूँ स्पेस
No problem. Goods purchased from Pankaj on credit, 18,000. This is April 3rd transaction. So April 3rd. Goods purchased from Pankaj on credit. So purchase account will be same, but we are not paying cash. So we will write Pankaj name. So it is 18,000.
तो फिर इसमें जो हम लोग लाइक बनाते हैं यूजुअली ऑनलाइन इसमें लेजर फोलियो का मतलब नंबर लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है राइट
No, उसमें कुछ भी नहीं आएगा because the ledger folio is page number of ledger we create, but in today's time we do everything on computer, so there is no page number.
ओके सर जस्ट 1 minute
Okay.
यस सर
Okay, this is sold goods to Naresh on credit. So Naresh is a receiver here, so it will be debited, and we are selling goods, so goods is going out. So instead of goods, we are writing sales.
यस
Okay, next is goods returned by Naresh. No, sorry, goods returned to Pankaj first. So now we are returning goods to Pankaj. Here, when we are purchasing goods from Pankaj, the transaction was purchase account debit to Pankaj account.
यस सर
Now we are returning goods. So the entry will be reversed here. So it will be Pankaj account debit to purchase return. You have to add one thing more here because it is return. So purchase return account. Now it is 1400. Sorry, 12,000. 12,000, yes. So we will write here 12,000. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now you are getting how to write journal and the narration, date, amount.
Yes, sir. थोड़ा kind of.
Okay. Now, can you solve this?
Sixth one, like April 6th.
No, no. I'm asking that now. Can you, if I give you this question as homework, can you do this?
सर एक दो एंट्री मैं ट्राई करता हूँ पहले.
Okay. Please
Uh,
do
7 goods
rest of
return
the
to
entry.
um सर goods return का वो क्या था, एंट्री क्या थी?
Goods returned by Naresh.
No, for Pankaj.
Goods returned to Pankaj. So entry was Pankaj account debit to purchase return, because we have purchased goods from Pankaj and now we are returning it. So goods returned to Pankaj.
Okay. And goods returned by Naresh.
Yes, now Naresh is returning goods. And if you see the previous entry, okay, whenever anyone is doing transaction, okay, the second party is always us, because if we are not the second party, then we should not record the transaction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Think about it. If any transaction is mentioned here, it means one party is someone else and the second is you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if goods returned by Naresh, so Naresh is one party and the second is us. So
Yes,
Naresh returned good to us. So Naresh is giver here. Giver.
yes, sir.
So Naresh will be credited. Now tell me what will be debited.
Goods, no, sorry. Purchase return account to Naresh account. No, sorry. Purchase
Okay.
return account debtor. Sorry. Debit to Naresh account.
It is not purchase return, it is sales return.
हाँ. Sorry.
Sales return account debit to Naresh.
सर हार्ड है ना थोड़ा, पहला क्वेश्चन तो कर लो.
The next one after that.
Cash paid to Ajay. So
Yes.
cash is going, right?
Yes.
So it will be, I guess, wait. Cash paid to Ajay. So it will be cash account debit to Ajay account. Is it correct, sir? Uh, cash account debit. No. Debit is what comes in. So, um, Ajay account. No, sir. गलत हो जाएगा.
Okay. First, think about it. Who is Ajay here? Personal account.
Yes, sir.
So in personal account, what we see?
So debit the receiver.
Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So Ajay is receiver or giver?
He is receiver, sir.
He is receiver. So he should be debited.
Yes, sir.
So okay, he
So
will be debited.
Ajay account debit to cash account.
Very good.
हाँ, thank God. मैंने बीच में ये बोला बट लाइक आई थॉट कि वो गलत हो जाएगा.
Yes. First of all, you don't think about right or wrong. You have to just apply the rule and then see for yourself. whatever the answer is, I will tell you if it is correct or not. Okay. So you just apply the rule first
Yes, sir.
and don't think about correct or incorrect. Because when I give homework, the student does not solve the question because he thinks that it will be incorrect. So first time, everyone who is doing the question, most of the question is incorrect. Okay. So it is not a big issue for any student. So if you solve the question, don't be afraid by writing incorrect answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, in this like April 12, commission received. So commission will come in nominal account, right? Because commission हम लोग
Yes,
का वो income या gain में आएगा, तो credit में आएगा, right?
income है, very good.
Okay. So wait, इसकी entry क्या होगी फिर? Commission received. If this will go in credit, so फिर एक ही
Okay,
तो word है.
commission.
हाँ, एक ही
Yes,
word है
I'm
तो
saying
confuse
the
होगा.
same thing. Commission received means what you are receiving actually.
Yes,
What you are
general
receiving.
commission.
Commission is the name, but you are receiving cash actually.
या ओके, यही तो कंफ्यूजन है सर. एक्चुअली एक वर्ड दे देते हैं उन लोग, उसके पीछे अलग अलग वर्ड्स भी यूज होते हैं ना, सो इट्स कंफ्यूजन.
Yes,
सो लाइक कैश अकाउंट, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कमीशन अकाउंट.
very good. Yes, cash account debit to commission account. Very good.
बट सर लाइक नॉमिनल अकाउंट के रूल में तो वो है ना कि डेबिट इज आवर एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस, एंड जो इनकम एंड गेन्स है वो तो क्रेडिट है.
Yes,
सो लाइक wouldn't the entry be wrong? एंट्री तो गलत हो जाएगी ना फिर, because like we are writing cash account debit.
yes, cash is a real account.
नो 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 सर, मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ, नॉमिनल अकाउंट के रूल में ये है कि डेबिट इज एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस एंड क्रेडिट इज इनकम एंड गेन्स. सो लाइक कमीशन इज आवर इनकम और गेन, राइट, बेसिकली. तो वो प्रॉफिट है हम लोग का.
Yes.
तो if we are writing instead of commission we are writing cash account and we are writing
No,
debit, so
no, no, no,
entry
no,
wrong
no,
होगी ना.
no. Just one thing. Cash is a real account. Commission is nominal account. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Cash is different from commission.
हाँ, okay, okay.
तो कमीशन क्रेडिट में जाएगा, ये ठीक है, बट कैश तो डेबिट में आएगा.
जी. हाँ, okay. So if we take cash to real account, so yeah, debit what comes in. So cash account debit to commission account.
Commission account. Yes, it is correct.
सही है, सही है.
Okay.
Then furniture purchase. Purchase. So furniture is like real account, right, sir?
Furniture is
Real account, right?
a real account. Okay.
Okay. So purchase account debit to cash account.
Purchase account debit to cash account.
Yes, correct, sir.
Furniture account debit to cash account.
No, like for goods and all, we write purchase, right?
But it is not goods for you. I told you that whenever it
Achha.
is goods, then you have to apply purchase or sale. Otherwise, if the asset name is given, you have to write assets.
Okay, so except for goods, like everything is normal, right?
Everything is?
मतलब खाली goods के लिए purchase या sale use करना, और बाकी सारा we can write the name, right? The normal name
Yes,
itself.
yes.
Okay. So furniture account debit to cash account.
Furniture account debit to cash account. Very good.
Okay. Rent paid to Amit. Rent is our हाँ, rent उसमें आता है, right? Nominal account में.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you are
So
paying rent, it is expenses.
yeah, it is expensive. So debit है, right? So but cash account, no, wait, ये entry wrong हो जाएगी. Cash account debit will be wrong, right?
Cash is coming or going?
Cash is going.
So it should be credited.
Yes. So we can write credit there. Cash account credit to Amit account.
Cash account debit is incorrect.
Yeah. So cash account credit would be correct, right? Cash account credit to
Yes.
Amit account.
No, you cannot say credit entry first. You have to say debit first.
वही तो यही तो confusion है. तो wait. Amit account debit to cash account.
Okay, what about rent?
Rent is our rent तो नाम है ना उसका. But like we are using cash only, right?
But rent is nominal account.
Yeah, rent is nominal account, and it
So
comes under expenses, and it's so debit, right? Debit all expenses and losses.
yes. So it will be on the debit side. Rent account debit to cash account.
Okay. So rent के लिए हम लोग cash नहीं use कर रहे हैं.
Yes, rent account debit to cash account.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. No, like I was using cash. No, मैं word की बात कर रहा हूँ. मैं cash word use कर रहा था instead of rent.
Whenever you pay any expenses, you pay it in cash, but you cannot replace the expenses with cash because cash is real account, rent is nominal account. These two things are different. You cannot use any one instead of other.
Okay. So rent account debit to Amit account. No, sorry, cash account.
No, cash account. And you have to remember one more thing, that in any entry, first you have to see about real account. Okay, the first preference is given to real account.
Okay.
Okay, and the second preference is to nominal account, and in the last we write personal.
Hmm. Sold goods to Sumit for cash. So like cash is coming in and goods are going out. So it will be like sales account debit to cash account, right?
Cash is coming or going?
No, sorry. Cash is coming. Cash account debit to sales account.
Yes, very good.
And cash sales. इसका क्या होगा सर? Cash sales.
Again, same thing. Goods sold for cash.
Cash sales नहीं मतलब like I didn't understand the entry. Cash sales.
Goods sold for cash. Same thing. Cash sale means goods sold for cash.
Okay. Goods sold for cash. So नहीं but like दूसरा word क्या use होगा for like debit or something.
Cash account debit to sales account. The journal entry.
Okay. Cash account debit to sales account.
Yes, sold goods for cash means one is goods, the second is cash.
Okay. जी. फिर student join.
After that, cash received from Naresh.
अच्छा अच्छा. Cash received from Naresh on account. So cash is like coming in. So it will be cash account debit to Naresh account.
Very good.
Okay, salary is paid. Salary is nominal account पे आएगा and जा रहा है. So it would be expenses and losses. So salaries. No. It would be क्या बोलते हैं? Cash account debit to salary account.
Salary paid means cash is going out.
Yes. हाँ
So it
नहीं
will be
सॉरी,
salary debit to cash.
सैलरी अगर मैं एक्चुअली पहले वही डाल रहा था, बट लाइक बट सैलरी इज ओके ओके ओके।
Salary
कैश,
is expenses.
हाँ हाँ ओके। अरे मैं खाली नॉमिनल अकाउंट के रूल पे चल रहा था, तो इसलिए गलत हो गया, रियल अकाउंट को भूल है।
You have to see which two accounts are given in the quotient in the transaction.
हम्म, तो इसका वो होगा राइट, सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट।
Yes, salary account debit to
बट
cash.
बट लेकिन सैलरी तो लाइक कैश इज बेसिकली गोइंग फ्रॉम अस राइट, सो ये डेबिट कैसे होगा, ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा
You are combining these two things together. Salary is nominal account, okay,
मुझे। यस
and cash is real account. So cash is already going on credit side.
ओके
But if salary, you have to apply the rule of nominal account. You don't think about that cash is going. So why salary is debited? Salary is nominal account and it is expenses. That's why it is debited.
ओके ओके ओके।
You have to apply different rules on different accounts. You cannot mix them together. Like on nominal account, you are applying a real account. On real account, you are applying nominal account. That will be incorrect.
हाँ यही सब तो हार्ड चीज है सर, एक बार जब प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी फिर आसान लगेगा।
ठीक है, इस क्वेश्चन को फिर से आप पूरा बनाइए और फिर
जी सर। सर ये आप होमवर्क पे भेज सकते हैं क्या, लाइक फ्रॉम द
यस,
लर्नर
आई विल
वो।
सेंड दिस
हाँ
होमवर्क।
वो
यस,
व्हाट्सएप पे, सर व्हाट्सएप पे भिजवा दीजिएगा, तो लाइक जो मेरे पास लर्निवो का ऐप है, बट वो 10th के लिए चल रहा था, अभी 11th के लिए मेरे ख्याल से मुझे वो सब करना पड़ेगा, न्यू।
yes, you
तो
will receive this as link. Obviously, they will send you, and then try to solve this question.
ओके सर। और
Okay, I
आई
will share.
वेट वेट सर, आप विल बी ज्वाइन।
Yes,
हेलो सर। No, actually, this Amir sir
yes.
was like my maths and physics teacher for 10th in Learnivio.
Okay.
हेलो।
Yeah.
अब्दुल्ला साहब थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दे लें, अभी क्लास डिस्टर्ब होगी आपकी।
हाँ नहीं सर, खत्म हो गया मेरा, 5 o'clock से
अच्छा
शुरू हुआ था।
ठीक है।
कैसे सर आप?
अच्छा, बस शुक्र है लगा, आप बताइए सब बढ़िया।
सही सर,
सॉरी सर
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
आपको डिस्टर्ब कर दिया।